Welcome to Ventola Projects. My name is Mick Ventola, Managing Director. Here I am at the manufacturing facility here in Leicester, based in the heart of the Midlands and the UK. We manufacture a various array of LED lighting products, from small LED fixtures to large linear items. Our products are manufactured primarily for the retail, commercial, leisure, hospitality and family entertainment industries. We began as a one-man band, 1989, evolving into a company that had a distribution of installers globally. And then 15 years ago, we decided to get involved in manufacturing here in Leicester. And our products have evolved to the point where we have supplied around the UK, gone into Europe with the assistance of a great team behind me. We've now ended up with distributors in the USA, the Middle East, recently in Australia, and our products now become globally supplied throughout these sectors around the world. We've spent a great proportion of the last 5 or 6 years working quite closely with the Department for International Trade, which has allowed us to open our eyes and look at new avenues, new resources, new development procedures, of which this assistance has been key to being able to sort of bring that bespoke custom product to the clients, as well as our products that are made for everyday general use. Part of the specialist portion of what we can do is not only just being the guy that you pick up and say, I want this light, I want that controller. We listen and we speak to our clients. We take on their drawings, their renders, in which what we do is we can assist with the design process. Upon consultation with the clients, we can then adjust the design model, of which then we can then add lighting, take lighting out, redesign it, remodel it. It doesn't cost the customer anymore. At that point, once we get the approval, we then begin the manufacturing process, right from the raw material, all the raw material coming in through the back door, begin the manufacturing process and update the clients as we go along. And where possible, we make the tweaks, the adjustments and the modifications as we go along where possible, to the point where eventually when we've got the final product, we actually then supply the control system, in which we get heavily involved then with regards to the whole programming process of making the product do what it wants what the client wants it to do. As such then, when it arrives on site, all the client needs to do, they haven't got to spend massive amounts of money on large installation teams. It's very much a plug and play process in which they just plug it all in, it goes live. When the system then goes online, we can see it suddenly call home, and then we know that it's online, so we can then immediately then dial in, make any adjustments we need to, and give the support the customer needs once the product has been installed, during the installation or many years down the line.